I am so used to grabbing plastics that I forgot that I have. It works now. Y'all, in a little bit, we're gonna be eating right there. Soon, in the name of Jesus. I think I'm about to watch some YouTube, so, and then clock in to work. I'll see you guys when I get done eating though. Hi, I'm getting ready to go to the gym. I just got done editing, but look what came today. I'm so excited. A TV, my PlayStation. I'm so excited. Are we about to have a living room? Find out. Keep watching the channel. Find out what I'm about to do in the living room. But yeah, I just got done editing. Now I'm about to, like I said, go to the gym. And then when I get back from the gym, I'm gonna clean up because I was supposed to do it. Today's Tuesday. I'm supposed to do it literally last Friday. So yeah, we're gonna get the kitchen and the bathroom clean because I like to do those weekly because they're nasty. Yeah, but I'm really dreading going to the gym. I'm letting my phone charge right now. Then I'm gonna go ahead and go because my phone's on 18%. You know what I'm about to do? Cut those boxes up. That's what I need to do so I can put them outside and they can take the boxes for me. Y'all. But we might as well go ahead and do this as well since we're putting stuff up. And that way, all I have to do when I get back is clean up. Get ready for my living room set to come in a few days. Should I save this stuff just in case like it falls or something? Probably right. I need to leave though and get out of here because I'm starting to not want to go to the gym, and the longer I stay here, I'm gonna write paper towel holder on this little paper though and put it in here so I can know what it goes to. The rest of this is trash. Let me see what my phone's on. It should be good enough because I have a newer phone and it charges very fast. Yeah, 51 is perfect because I just need to go to the gym, listen to music. sorry. I am about to go to the gym now, and I'll see you guys later. What is up, guys? I am back from the gym. Currently eating an apple, peanut butter chips, chia seeds, flax seeds, and hemp seeds, granolas, and then honey, like a yogurt bowl. I could have just said a yogurt bowl, but I just want to tell you what was in it. It's so good. I didn't eat lunch today because I just had a very late start today. So instead of having actual food for lunch, I'm just eating a yogurt bowl because it's currently, I can't even hear myself. It's currently 4:39. And with this, I'll be hungry again. So I'm not gonna eat dinner until I'm done cleaning up, which I should be done after 6. So my workout was so good. The 15 minutes on the Stairmasters killed me. Like, my legs was on fire. I could barely walk. That's why I try not to do Stairmasters on leg day. Luckily, it was upper body today. The peanut butter chips and the apples, great combination. Okay, y'all, so look how cute this is. I love it. And I went ahead and cleaned the counter and the kitchen. Now we're about to, I just don't know what to do with all that. Yeah, another day, another problem. But I'm about to go ahead and sweep and mop, and I'm gonna sweep and mop both areas. I still haven't went through that box. I'm actually gonna make this my business to clear this box tomorrow since my couch is coming soon and I'm about to actually have stuff in here. So yeah, we're gonna do this tomorrow. So yeah, for now, I'm gonna go ahead and sweep and mop all of this, and then we're gonna clean the bathroom. Then we'll be done cleaning because I washed clothes over the weekend. But I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and sweep the kitchen and the living room, and then I'll come in here and clean this with you guys. Oof, we doing good, y'all. Kitchen is swept and mopped. I got the mop sitting right here so I can go ahead and sweep and mop this. Put the broom up. It should be dry by the time I'm done, but I need to, I think I'm gonna do the counters first. I just cleaned my mirror 2 days ago. Yesterday. Or was it It was yesterday, yes. I went walking yesterday, yeah. So yesterday I cleaned my mirror because I got some wipes. So I don't need to clean my mirror again. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the counters. Well, I have stuff on the counters, so we're gonna put this up. Okay, so I decided to go ahead and wash these towels and stuff because why not? Just get it over with. And I just pull all the towels around the house. It's really not that much. I'm the only person using towels. I found peace in your violence. Alright, now I just got a mop. I just wanted to, because I'm about to mop in here, I just wanted to start the washer because I'm not going to be able to come back in here once I mop. I'm just going to let the camera die, y'all. Look at the living room, guys. We're getting ready for it. I can already envision myself here. Can't wait.